This is a correct iPhone 6s Plus LCD screen, and we will use the new set of OCA machines and using the cold press item to refurbish this part. And as you can see that the 6s and 6s Plus and also 7 and 7 Plus, the flex cable and the IC on it is more complex compared with the previous version. So far there is no copy LCD screens for 6s and the above versions, and it will be a best and at present the best way to get a good quality 6s Plus LCD screen it is to refurbish by yourself. This is a built-in pump LCD separator, manual type. The process will be the same as iPhone 6. And refurbishing 6s and 6s Plus, it will not affect the 3D touch. So the first step is complete the glasses. Use the glue remover machine to remove the glue and polarizer together. And watch out the cable and also the 3D touch on the bottom. Watch out this part, it has a small flex cable here. Next, we will use this is a customized glue removal mold. You can put it. You can put the LCD screen inside the mold, so it will be manual for you to do cleaning. And then use this fully automatic film laminating machine to put back the polarizer film on LCD screen. First step, we'll do alignment. The result like this is okay. And we will use the anti-static glue. To put on both corners and let it get connected with the polarizer film. So after refurbishing, you will not have the static issue. Usually it will need to wait for minutes to wait until it is dry. So, because now we just do a demonstration here, so we will not have time to wait. And this is the new cold press item, the popular part at present. It has the glass with the base frame together and also the OCA film. It is pre-installed on the glass already. It will make your refurbishing and more easily. And the glass and the frame together, they use the different glue than hot glue. So it will, the frame will attach to the glass more strongly. And it will avoid the base frame coming of issue. And this is the gold mode for alignment for the cold press item. Put the LCD in the mold first and then peel off the protect film of the OCA film. Put this cold press item over the LCD screen. You can press the four corners a little to let the cold press part it can touch with the LCD screen completely. And then put it in the mini laminating machine. There is a rubber. The rubber will be like this. It is for you to protect the cold press base frame. And he's putting one inside the machine already. The door. The door for this machine it is a lock door. No need any screws, so it is more safety. And just click the start button, it will start working. For about 4 minutes, it will complete both the lamination and bubble removal process. And this machine it does not need vacuum pump, no need air compressor. All the settings are pre-programmed inside already. No need to do any adjustment.要把那真空棒拿走。下一个视频把它拿出来。下一个视频呢？We will wait for 4 minutes and then come back later. See, the machine, it is really quiet while it is in operation. Okay, it is ready now. Open the door. Check item. Take this out. And you can see there is no any bubbles. Okay, it's done. And the frame, it is very firm. It's very firm. It will not lose, even after use for months or for any time.